There is no other enemies spawning. That's odd. Welcome to today's playtest. I wanna test some games that my friends on Instagram made, and let's do it. First of all is a game from my friend Nater, which is called Space Ranger. This is start right into the game. Loud SFX. There is no other enemies spawning. Maybe it's a bug. I can't move with touch screen on the phone. The player is limited on the screen. This is good. But when I press up and down on the PC, you see my browser scrolls up and down. This is weird. But it's a great start for sure. Because controlling keyboard and stuff are really good to begin with when you start with an engine. Good job. Bazooka Puzzle by BYV Games. Here is their page. So let's play the game. This is nice. On the main menu I can shoot with this stickman. Here's the settings, about us, BYV. Here is packs, commando, daily rewards. Here's our crystals, free. I got it. There's a nuke, I don't know what is it. Here are rewards, battle. Okay, at level 2. So this game looks like some kind of Angry Birds. It's a nice sticker, man. You can pull and shoot people, shoot the enemies. Oh, they shoot back. I like it. Gameplay is really nice with the physics and the idea. My ammo is over. I have to restart the level because I don't want to use my crystals. This is a nice game design. This was level 2. Very nice game. Here's a reward, 225. Now these audio clues were nice. What is shop? Here we have a shop. I can buy a stone cannon, bazooka. We have armor also, dirty hats, dirty shirts. So this was this game. It was really nice. Another game I want to try out is Everon Game by my friend Jack Bandai. on Instagram. Property of player mechanics already reserved. Let's play this game. Here's an attention message. It's a bit long. Right into the character selector screen. We have characters here: Bison, Leo, Maya. I don't know which buttons to press to play the game. Because of that, I'm pushing random buttons to play the game. Okay, I think I could only select the 2 characters only. It was better to show a lock icon on the characters or something. The camera pans out, that's a good thing. It's a nice game. Obviously, Jack Banday has put a lot of effort in it. You can see the players' animations are kinda smooth, and it looks like it takes a lot of time to pull this off with the kick. But the music stopped, I don't know why. I think he made it with Scratch. Here's some options, and I just restart the whole game with this icon here. That's so odd. Because I haven't worked with Scratch, I don't know what's up with it. Here is something else. I'm working with mouse and I can select these options here. Here is options and stuff. But when I want to select the players, I can't do them with the mouse. The music is nice. Computer. I changed it here. Let's play with computer and see. It looks like this game is inspired by Mortal Kombat. It's really nice. Thank you, my friend Jack Banday, for sharing it with me. I will play more updates later.